Ghanaian style deviled eggs, also known as Kosua and meko. These are a popular street food in Ghana. Here's how to make them. So first of all, I'm going to take 4 eggs and I'm going to hard boil this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then I'm going to start making my pepper mix. So I start off with some garlic. I also take about a quarter of a medium red onion, slice this down. I take a tiny bit of ginger and also some Scotch bonnet for the heat. I leave the seeds in for the extra heat. And then last but not least, I take a tomato. So here I'm using a spoon just to remove the insides of the tomato because we do not want this pepper mix to be very watery. Now I'm going to pulse blend all of these ingredients until we make a paste. But the authentic way to make these ingredients into a paste is to use a Ghanaian grinding bowl, also known as asanka. Once I've got my paste, I season it with a little bit of salt, mix it all together. And this is what I put on top of my eggs. So here I'm just cutting the eggs in half. You can also cut them halfway and put the pepper in it, a bit like an egg sandwich. And you just drop these on top and I garnish with some red onion. So this is a really quick and easy snack to make. If you're an egg lover, I am definitely an egg lover, then this is a good one for you. And the pepper sauce just gives it a nice kick, that nice West African kick. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.